Hi, my name is R+Co. I am the co-founder and creative director of the brand R+Co. I'd like to spend the next couple of minutes talking to you about R+Co's Dallas Biotin Thickening treatment. It's an amazing thickening treatment that helps build texture for a long-lasting voluminous effect. This treatment strengthens hair without weight, delivering immediate visible results in minutes. Here we are with our model Greta and R+Co global artist Bobby. Bobby will start by prepping the hair by cleansing it with R+Co's Dallas Biotin Thickening shampoo, which adds vitality to fine, flat hair while nourishing and strengthening from the root to the tip. After shampooing, he'll apply the treatment starting mid-shaft to ends and work upwards through the hair. It'll be left on for 5 minutes and rinsed. This treatment can be added to any cleansing routine and should be used once a week in place of a conditioner. Dallas Biotin Thickening treatment has amazing beneficial ingredients that help thicken hair, nourish, tame frizz and flyaways. Powered with Dallas star ingredient biotin, which helps improve strength and elasticity, seals split ends and reduces breakage while promoting a healthy scalp. Next is rice starch, which helps absorb excess oil and plump strands for a fuller, thicker, more voluminous strands. It also contains lactic acid to help nourish, detangle, improve manageability and provide antioxidant protection. Last is ginseng root, which helps tame frizz and flyaways, smooth the cuticle and deliver shine and bounce. Definitely visible results after one application. Increases thickness and volume, increasing fibre diameter by 1%, reduces split ends and flyaways through 10 washes. So let's have a look at Greta. She was asking for her hair to look voluminous and strands to feel thicker and nourished. This treatment is perfect for her needs. And also our products are made without parabens, sulfates, harsh detergents or animal derivatives. They are colour safe, gluten free, cruelty free and vegan. They provide UV protection and are made in the USA. Additionally, this tube is made from 100% sugarcane-based plastic and the cap is made from 10% post-consumer recycled plastic, which helps reduce virgin plastic consumption and another way to reduce our footprint on the earth. Thanks for watching. This is an R+Co presentation, Dallas Biotin Thickening Treatment. Thank you.